Hello.
Hello.
Okay, now what's your name?
My name is Chu.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Yeah, I'm 4 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from City, Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
I'm happy today. Now look at the picture. Can you answer the question? Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Now let's count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. The first topic is colors.
Color.
What color is it?
Color.
What color is it? Now look at the picture. It's red. Yellow. Now can you start families? Who is he? Daddy. Brother. Sister.
Teacher. Baby.
Yeah. Animals.
Animal.
What animal is it? Rabbit. It's a cat.
It's a cat.
It's a dog. It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
It's a lion. Very good. Now, can you start body parts? Where is your head?
Where is your head?
Yeah, you see my head.
It is my head.
Where are your shoulders?
Shoulder.
Where are your eyes?
Eye.
Where is the nose?
No.
Well done. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Bye.